Are you having problems that your TCL TV is actually stuck on the loading screen and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because I've actually had a lot of problems with this before today, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. But I'm just going to show you firstly that it actually works. So as you can see, it's not stuck anymore on the loading screen. It was stuck before though, but I was able to fix it. So this is like a really easy fix that I think is going to work for a lot of you out there. The only thing that we need to do is to go back into the TV here, as you can see, and then you're going to find this cable right here that goes here. And for me, it's on the left side on the TV here, as you can see. So I just actually did like this. I removed the cable and then I waited like a minute and then I plugged it back in. And actually, like after that, it just worked for me. So I guess that sometimes when the TV is like stuck and you need to basically just remove the power source and then, yeah, enable it once again, and most likely it's going to just fix it for you. I mean, it needs some like a little kick sometimes, I guess. And after that, it just works perfectly for me now. So try this and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.